Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So do you want to hear how you can get one of these boxes and try out amazing products for free? Yeah, that's right, for free. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So PinchMe reached out to me and asked if they could send me an influencer box to show you guys what some of the items could be for you to review for free. That's right. PinchMe is completely free. You go to their website and I will link them down below. It's super, super easy. You go to their website, you create a free profile. They ask you different questions. So when they do have their sample Tuesday, once a month, they have what they call a sample Tuesday. It's normally the second Tuesday out of the month. So you log into your account on that Tuesday at that specific time, and you check your account to see what they matched you with. It's first come, first serve. So you may have several different things. You may have one or two. Some weeks or some months you may not have any that are matched to you, which is okay, because when you do get a match to you, it's so cool to get free products delivered straight to your door. No delivery fee, no credit card information you need to put in, nothing. It is absolutely free. The only thing that they ask is a little bit of your time. So when you do receive the product, they want you to review it. They want you to go to your account and actually review the items, try them out, and give you a real honest opinion on them. If you do that, they will continue to load them on your account and you will continue to get free, yes, free products, you guys. PinchMe is amazing. They get new people that work with them every single time, every single month. So they're always bringing new, cool, and exciting items. Sometimes you might only get like I said, like 2 to 3 products. Sometimes you might get a few more. It all depends on what they match you to, what's still available, and what you can grab. Now, I was sent this to review. This is an influencer box, so it might have more samples in this than what you may receive. But again, it's all based on availability, what they have for that particular month, what they matched you with, and which ones that you wanted to do. If there's one that you don't even want to try, you don't have to click on it. So you don't have to take everything that might be loaded in your account. But when you do, all they ask is for your real honest opinion, and that's it. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what samples they have sent me so you can kind of get an understanding and an idea of some of the things that would be loaded in your account. So let's go ahead and dive into here and see. I'm so excited because any of you guys can create this account and get free products. So there we have it. Okay, so right on top we have is natural facial oils. Ooh, there's a cleansing facial oil and a daily facial oil. And this is plum seed oil. Ooh, and pumpkin seed oil. That is really neat. I've never even heard of this before, but it looks like you can buy them in bottles like that. So if you do try it and you like it, you can grab the full bottle. But that looks like there would be enough in there for you to try, especially if it is a serum. So you'll have a lot in there. So that's cool. We get to try that. And you know, us beauty lovers would love to try some facial oils. So there's that. Next we have is Freshening Up Dry Shampoo. So there's a dry shampoo. Next we have, oh, this is from the same brand. Yes, this is a 10-in-1 primer. What? With argan oil and sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula for all hair types. Oh, so this is for your hair? When I hear primer, I'm thinking a face spray primer. So let me see, what are the instructions on here? Simplify your styling routine with 1 miracle portion using this magic 10-in-1 primer. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, shines, nourishes, soothes, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Wow. So that's cool. You just spray that on your hair, and that's a good size sample, you guys. So it's not always going to be tiny little samples. These are good size samples that we get in some subscription boxes, like the same size. So that's awesome. And you get them for free. For free. Ooh, I'm seeing some candy. What are these? We have, ooh, cookie squares baked in France, milk chocolate and melty caramel. This one is dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. Ooh, there's 2 each. I've never seen these before. Have you guys seen these before? So here's like a dark chocolate caramel, and there's that one. Let me see. I'm gonna try this dark chocolate one. So that's what it looks like. Looks like a little cookie. Mmm. Those are really good. Mmm. So now we have is a product by Dr. Dennis Gross. Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. A patent 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture, achieve clinical results at home. 3 treatments. Ooh. So you even get 3 treatments in here. Look. There's like 2, there's your little 1-2 step, and there's 3 of them. That's really cool. Again, this is all free. This one is eye drops. Works in 1 minute, lasts for 8 hours. And for eye drops, that's pretty much almost like a full size right there. So we have that. Next we have is an activated charcoal. Was this a soap? Yeah, this is a moisturizing bath bar. So this is actually a full-size product right here. And it's an activated charcoal soap. So that's awesome. We have a few more items in here. We have, ooh, this is really, really good. If you get some shoes, like brand new shoes, and you wear them out because they're so cute and you want to wear them and it messes up your heel, this is something you can put on your heel to help. That is really cool. That is really cool. Stays in place for days. When do you want to take it off? Like when you take a shower? It says stays in place for days. What? Unstoppable you. Leave in place until it starts to detach. Whew. So you leave it on for days. Huh. So yeah, that'll definitely help with your blister, especially if you wear it multiple times. So, oh, and there's 2. There's 2 medium cushions in here. So you can put them on both your feet. That's cool. And then we have an Ultra Clean Clorox Lemon Twist Scent Trial Pack Disinfectant Wipes. All right, so there's a disinfectant wipe you can try out, Ultra Clean. And then the last item in here is Pure Facial Oil. This looks like this is a full-size product. Free! You guys, I love PinchMe. Like, you get everything for free. This is cruelty-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, dermatology tested, not tested on animals. We have a full-size product. See, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you might just get like little samples, and then sometimes you might get like full-size products. That's awesome. That is really awesome. But again, it's all based, oh, that's a big guy. Look at that. Look how big. Compared to like this little thin thing, like this is way thicker. This is definitely way thicker. That's a different size. That's a different looking bottle. That's pretty. It's purple and it has a little dropper. This is big. Nope, no scent. And it has a little dropper with the facial lotion or facial oil. And it's not very oily. Like it gives it a little shine, but it's not like too much. I don't like the ones that are just like, it's just like I took like vegetable oil and put on my face. I don't like those. This is cool. Feel the silky touch of the light and nourishing certified organic cosmic oils. Our facial oils contain not only certified organic cosmic ingredients, but clinically shown to increase hydration and improve skin's elasticity and firmness. Ooh. Its full antioxidant power helps fight pollution, induce free radicals, and has the best in Swiss quality along with clinical proven technology. V is for victory overtime. Clinically shown to visibly reduce wrinkles and imperfections, improve elasticity, and significantly increase hydration with the very first application. Apply 2 to 4 drops every night to cleanse face and neck for deep, nourishing, and anti-aging action. For the best silky hair, try applying a few drops into your hair tips. For all over your hair, gently comb from root to tip. Avoid direct eye contact. So you can even add this to your hair. So that is awesome. So this is what I received in my box. So we have this full-size product. This is a full-size product. I'm gonna say this one's a full size. If not, it's pretty darn near a full size. We have the dry shampoo, the hair thing. We have these little candy things, the little square chocolates, cookies. We have the pill for your face, the Clorox cleansing wipe, the blister, and then here's another facial oil. So again, this is what they sent me for the influencer box to show you guys what some of the different varieties of products is that you could get. Sometimes, like if you put in your profile that you have pets, sometimes they might have pet products. If you have children, you can put in you have children. If they have children products, like little juices or something like that, they would send. So they do all different types of products and they're all free. No credit card, nothing. Again, you can follow the link down below, create your free profile, fill out the information to the best of your ability. That helps them create like your own distinctive profile so they know what type of samples to pair you with, and have some fun and review some free products, you guys. Thank you so much, PinchMe, for sending me this amazing box to show my viewers. There's so many good items in here and a lot of full size. Like, that's awesome. So thank you so much for sending me this to review and to show my viewers. So you guys, have you seen PinchMe? Do you get PinchMe? Have you heard of PinchMe? Are you now gonna sign up for PinchMe? Comment down below in the comment section. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.